First, access the automatic repair screen. Windows 10 will show it after crashing for 3 consecutive times. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Select your account. Type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt. Now type bootrec/fix mbr and then press Enter. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. Type bcd edit/export c/bidbackup and then press Enter. Type atrib/boot/bcd-h-r-s and then press Enter. Type renc/boot/bcd-bcd.old and then press Enter. Type bootrec/rebuildbcd and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to restart. If that didn't work, open Advanced Options again. Press System Restore. Press System Restore. Select your account. Select your keyboard layout. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Select your account. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Press Restart. Now your PC select your keyboard layout. Press Close. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Press Reset this
Press
PC.
Next.
Select if you want to keep your personal files. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Select your account. Type in your password and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Press Finish. Press Reset. Now wait for Windows to reset. Now your PC should be restored. If that
Press
didn't
Yes.
work, go back to Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account, type in your password and if you don't have one, just
Now
press
wait for
Continue.
your PC to be restored.
Type and then press Enter. Type C:/Windows/System32/config and then press Enter. Type MD backup and then press Enter. Type
Press Restart.
**backup and then press Enter. Type MD backup 1 and then press Enter. Type copy **backup 1 and then press Enter. Type cd regback and then press Enter. Type dir and then press Enter. Type copy
Now your PC should be restored.
and then press Enter. Type all and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter.
Press Close.
Continue or turn off your
If that
PC
didn't
to
work,
apply the changes. problem should be fixed.
Click on Troubleshoot. Press Reset this PC. Select if you want to keep your personal files. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Press Reset. Now wait for Windows to reset. Now your PC should be restored. The command prompt BSOD and press Enter. Drive. Yours, etc. Now where'd. Type execmd if that didn't. Back to command prompt /scan now, and then now wait for Windows to be exit. The command prompt BSOD and press Enter to